Hi and welcome to another watch review. This is the AD2080 from ADDIESDIVE. Before we go any further, guys, many of you are watching, almost 80% of you all not subscribed to the channel. Please hit that subscribe button, which gonna help the channel a lot. A GADA style watch. Let's have a quick measurement of this watch to start with. The bezel measurement is 37.8. With the crown, it measures around 42.2. The case height comes around 12.8 with this domed crystal. Lug to lug, it gives you a very good measurement around 46.5, which is really good for small wristed guys. Let's check the crystal and see if it is sapphire crystal. Yes, we are getting good reading for sapphire. So this is real piece of sapphire, no doubt about that, which is extremely good from these budget watches, especially from ADDIESDIVE and also from AliExpress. This is really good from them. Have a close look at this dial, guys. Have a look at those stripes. It's absolutely fantastically finished from ADDIESDIVE. It looks gorgeous. The Avamakasa applied, it has that 3D texture to it, and the minute Nakasai actually it has a chapter ring. It's not printed on the dial, it has a separate chapter ring on it. It's absolutely gorgeous looking watch. We will have a loom shot later. It is absolutely killer loom. This Fume dial is absolutely fantastic, guys. Have a look at the dial play, the light play actually. The light play on this watch is absolutely gorgeous. And have a look at this case profile. It's brush sides and lot of polishing going on the chamfered edges, and you get a sign crown, the Addis style logo engraved there, and it's very good finishing in this watch. Have a look at this inner part of this lugs. It is polished, which is extremely well done. Very nice finishing indeed. This is extremely good quality, and you get a screw down case back, which will ensure you the water resistant level which they have mentioned, which is again good from ADDIESDIVE and AliExpress watches. This watch comes with an NH35 movement, which is an good workhorse movement, which many of the AliExpress watches been coming up with, which is really good. Have a look at this crown action. First position, you can wind the watch. Good winding action. The second position, you can change the date. Good action. On the third position, you can set the date. It's an hacking movement. You can see the second hand as hack. Very good action. I really like this pedal type hands with separated in the middle, again which are filled with BGW loom. Very good action. Let's thread it back and see if it how it threads. Very good action there. You can see it has threaded well. Let's talk about the bracelet. It comes with an oyster type bracelet, which is again, as I said, it is very well finished. Have a look at this lugs, guys. No gap whatsoever. It's a absolutely perfect fitting, and it comes with an female ending, which is again really good, which will give you a snug fit, which will taper down straight away from the lugs, and it will hug your wrist. It is very really good for small wristed people. The bracelet it starts at 20 at the lugs, and it tapers down to 16 at the clasp. Clasp is a solid milk clasp from ADDIESDIVE, which is really good again, and with 5 micro adjustments, which is good, which will give you a good fit. No issue with that clasp. This clasp is a really good one. And if you take the bracelet action and tolerance is really good. And also, I like the fact that ADDIESDIVE make their bracelet polished in the inner part as well, so you don't get any rough edges in the inner part, so you will have comfortable fit on your wrist. Let's have a look at this watch in my wrist. Actually, I'm wearing my Ton Pelagos homage in blue, which is a lovely little watch. I really love it. My wrist is an 6.5-inch wrist, and it looks perfect proportions. No overhang. The watch looks a perfect fitting for my wrist. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of my future videos.